Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and review the Element 55-inch 4K UHD Smart TV. Now this TV comes with Amazon Fire TV. Now the thing with Amazon Fire TV is this TV, it's going to force you to sign up with Amazon. If you haven't signed up with Amazon or you don't like Amazon, you're going to be forced to do it. If you love Amazon, then this TV is just for you. What's cool about the remote on this TV, it's got Alexa, the voice remote with Alexa. And here is the TV right here. And like I said, it's a Fire TV, so it uses Amazon. It is a 4K TV. At the time that I bought the TV, it was on sale. A pretty good sale I couldn't pass up, around $395 plus the insurance and taxes. It came up to $420 something, I believe. So it's a very affordable TV. It's 4K. It's got really good quality video on it. The refresh rate, which is the one thing that I didn't like about it, the refresh rate is 60 Hertz refresh rate. And there's the rest of the specifications there. But I mean, you can't get everything you want for that price. At least it's 4K. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and take a look around the TV. Here is the remote. Alexa is activated through this button here, for example. YouTube. And boom, there's YouTube. You can select YouTube. I recommend you download Firefox to open up YouTube with Firefox, because that's the only way you can make YouTube work now. Apparently the YouTube app has expired, but you can go around that by getting the Firefox app. And there's YouTube opening up. So yeah, you can open up YouTube that way. Let's go back to the home button here. Here is the main menu. So in home here, you could see what your recent apps were, apps and games, sponsored, on now, and of course it's going to show you all the Amazon Prime stuff. Careful now, you're going to sign in with your Amazon account. If one of your children go on here, let's say you don't have Prime, they can activate your Prime, and then in a week you'll get a $100 bill in the mail, or online through your bank statement. You'll see it. But if you have Amazon Prime, you can watch any of these right here. I don't have Prime myself. I use Netflix, but since I have an Amazon TV, might as well use Prime and get rid of Netflix, because I mean, what's the point? So in the menu, there's also your videos, movies, TV shows, apps. Look at the apps you got, and settings, where you can select your network and whatnot. Now your local channels, if you go here from the home, here on the on now, that is your local channels right there. And what's cool is when you're at the local channel, it gives you a little preview on the right hand side over here. So that's cool. And you can select which one you want to watch. Stargate Universe is on. That one's pretty cool. I remember that one. So that's how the TV works there. So we're going to test out the picture quality. Now keep in mind, I'm videotaping with a camcorder here, so you won't be able to see like what I see in person, but we'll see how it looks. That's 4K quality right there. It looks amazing. Even though I'm recording with a camcorder, man, that still looks pretty good when I look at the camcorder here. But it's just beautiful picture, guys. Very beautiful. In the back of the TV here, we have an option for an SD card, 4 HDMI ports, USB 2.0, USB 3.0. We actually have a LAN. Your internet connection goes here. The coax cable for your local channels goes here, which is already connected. Your regular red, yellow, and white cables go here, your AV cables. It's also got an option for headphones and for optical cable. Optical cable is used for sound bars, but you can also use your sound bar with the headphone. It depends what type of sound bar you have. So there you have it, guys. The Element 55-inch 4K UHD Smart TV with Amazon Fire TV. I enjoy it. For the price, man, it's nice. I like it for the price. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment on the comment section of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting a lot more videos here soon. More reviews on stuff. And if you guys have any questions on the TV, any things that I missed, let me know. And I'll get back to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.